Hey there, this is Lady Jamers at Ocean City. Stay tuned for another video. On our way to the beach, folks. I love these little duck footprints. Now I should have my gimbal, but I don't. So here's our entrance to go on the beach. There's actually is many. It's our hotel. Some of them are steps down. Some of them are so you can just roll down. And I thought you'd get a kick out of seeing the walkway. And I'm not sure. I'm just going to put music over my voice and let you enjoy the stroll or listen to my voice. This is so your feet don't burn if you're not wearing shoes. Just to show you real quick, I have these body glove waterproof shoes. They are very comfortable. I wore them all yesterday, and they're also very waterproof. I tested that last year when I first got them. There's our hotel. Do a little circle around here. There's the fishing pier. The one thing about Jersey beaches is that you get a lot of shells and everything, and you can do so much with those shells. It's actually kind of fun, though I have to admit that there's a shell line on the actual beach that I'll show you soon, and when you wipe out in that shell line, it hurts. Just saying. Looks like we are on low tide. When it's high tide, it's up to where you can kind of see right there. High tide, you definitely need shorts. Low tide, you can sometimes wear pants, but I'm wearing shorts today. fun stuff. Water's cold, I will tell you that. Like I said, I have my waterproof shoes on. There's something soothing about hearing the seagulls and the waves when you're not at the beach. It kind of lets you feel like you're still there. About to go on my favorite part, which is standing over underneath the pier. I get such cool shots, and for those who do my Facebook page, which I don't really do anymore, but I still have it there, you'll see a picture of under the pier as my main page. You know what I mean? Isn't this so cool? I show you my favorite little mural here. It's painted on the wall. And this is where we're going to clean off our feet. Exciting, isn't it? This is Lady Jamer saying like, subscribe, and tell your friends about Lady Jamer's channel. And remember to hit all those notification buttons to be reminded of each and every video. Hope you have a wonderful day. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you later. Take care. Bye-bye.